The Texas Department of Transportation, Bryan District, and Brazos County would like to welcome you to this virtual public meeting for the State Highway 47 at State Highway 21 Interchange RELLIS Area Plan in Bryan, Texas. This is a pre-recorded presentation made available starting Friday, October 24th, 2025. TxDOT and Brazos County appreciate your interest and thank you for your participation. Details on how to submit comments will be provided later in the presentation. Drive Like a Texan, TxDOT's newest safe driving initiative, is about embracing what makes our state great, the way we look out for each other. Whether you were born here or got here as fast as you could, Texans share a common bond in our commitment to doing the right thing and treating everyone with kindness and respect. On the road, this means driving with care, patience, and respect for everyone around us. By making thoughtful choices, we can all help keep each other safe. The SH-47 at SH-21 Interchange RELLIS Area Plan is located within the city of Bryan in Brazos County, Texas. SH-47 is generally oriented in a north-south direction, while SH-21 is oriented in a west-east direction. Along SH-47, the limits of the area plan extend approximately 0.9 mile from SH-21 to approximately 300 feet north of Thompson's Creek. Along SH-21, the limits of the area plan extend about 2 miles from approximately 300 feet west of Fazino Road to approximately 700 feet west of Silver Hill Road. The total length of the RELLIS Area Plan is 2.9 miles. The SH-47 at SH-21 Interchange RELLIS Area Plan is needed to address several regional and local challenges. At present, the roadway does not have enough capacity to handle future traffic expected from ongoing and future land development and anticipated population growth. Connectivity between local roads and the two highways is limited, which makes travel less efficient. Additionally, the area has seen a moderate number of crashes along the corridor. This area plan is being developed to optimize mobility and traffic flow by upgrading the interchange to meet future traffic demands. This plan is also designed to improve connections with local roads by reconfiguring key intersections. By upgrading the intersections to modern design standards, the RELLIS Area Plan would help reduce crash rates along the corridor and improve overall driver safety. Brazos County and TxDOT are collaborating with member agencies of the Bryan College Station Metropolitan Planning Organization to develop the RELLIS Area Plan in order to improve the SH-47 at SH-21 interchange. The proposed plan is being developed under the 2022 Brazos County Transportation Road Improvement Program, which consists of a bond program approved by voters in November 2022. While the design and environmental studies of the plan are funded under the bond program, the plan itself is not currently funded for construction. From 2018 to 2022, a total of 63 crashes have been reported within the area of the SH-47 at SH-21 interchange, including 1 fatality and 1 serious injury. To improve safety for the traveling public, proposed improvements include the addition of roundabouts, reconfiguration of key intersections, roadway realignments, and modifications to access points along the SH-47 and SH-21 corridors. Notable changes include a new entrance and exit to the RELLIS campus along SH-21, closure of the SH-21 access to the RELLIS campus via Gus Grissom Boulevard, and the removal of Silver Hill Road access to SH-47 via Goodson Bend Road. The existing SH-47 roadway consists of a 4-lane roadway, which includes two 12-foot wide main lanes in each direction, 10-foot wide outside and 4-foot wide inside shoulders, and a 68-foot wide grassy median between the northbound and southbound main lanes. The existing SH-21 roadway consists of a 4-lane roadway, which includes two 12-foot wide main lanes in each direction, 10-foot wide outside and 4-foot wide inside shoulders, and a variable width grassy median between the eastbound and westbound main lanes in the vicinity of the interchange. The proposed SH-47 improvements include a new north-south 4-lane roadway consisting of 2 lanes in each direction with shoulders separated by a concrete traffic barrier. In addition, 2-lane frontage roads going north and south will be built parallel to the SH-47 main lanes. The proposed SH-21 improvements include a new west-east 4-lane roadway consisting of 2 lanes in each direction with shoulders, separated by a concrete traffic barrier. In addition, 2-lane frontage roads going west and east will also be constructed parallel to the SH-21 main lanes. There are 3 different types of roadway improvements proposed at this time. These 3 improvements include an interchange upgrade, overpasses, and roundabouts. An interchange is commonly used to reduce traffic conflicts and collisions by eliminating left turns, while also linking major highways with local roads or other highways. Potential benefits include increased highway capacity by preventing bottlenecks and distributing traffic more efficiently, along with improved travel times through higher speeds and smoother traffic flow. An overpass is typically used to improve highway main lane traffic flow by allowing vehicles to bypass intersections by separating roads at different levels. This design helps reduce congestion and enhances safety by eliminating intersection conflict points between roadways. Overpasses also lower the number and severity of crashes, efficiently managing traffic movements through an intersection. A roundabout is often used along roadways with congested intersections, especially in areas that benefit from slow-moving continuous traffic flow. Roundabouts can ease congestion and increase traffic flow by facilitating vehicle movements through intersecting streets. Roundabouts also help reduce the number and severity of crashes by limiting conflict points where vehicles typically collide and eliminating right angle or T-bone crashes, which are typically the most severe. Based on public comments received at public meeting number 1, several design revisions were advanced to improve safety, mobility, and access throughout the SH-47 at SH-21 interchange. After evaluating conventional signalized intersections versus dogbone roundabouts at key frontage road and cross-street locations, roundabouts were selected for their proven advantages in reducing delays and enhancing traffic flow. A new exit ramp was added to the design from the SH-47 direct connector to the westbound SH-21 frontage road, improving connectivity for westbound travelers. Access to the area north of SH21 was provided via the proposed frontage road to accommodate future development. To address safety concerns at Fazino Lane, a restricted crossing U-turn, which is known as an R-cut, was incorporated into the roadway design. This innovative design reduces conflict points and improves traffic operations, especially at intersections with a history of crashes. A northbound frontage road segment was introduced between 5th Street and SH21 to support local circulation and access. While a proposed entrance ramp between 5th Street and the SH21 exit was evaluated, the entrance ramp was not feasible due to limited spacing. Finally, access to the RELLIS campus along SH47 was improved at the 5th Street intersection, and the crossover at Goodson Bend was removed to enhance safety by eliminating a high crash rate area. From 2018 to 2022, a total of 63 crashes have been reported within the SH47 at SH21 interchange, including 1 fatality and 1 serious injury. To improve safety for the traveling public, proposed improvements include the addition of roundabouts. In terms of long-term benefits, the proposed roundabouts on SH21 and SH47, along with improved turning movements along SH21, are designed to enhance safety, improve traffic flow, and increase roadway connectivity within the RELLIS Area Plan limits. These design improvements are expected to increase the efficiency of vehicle movements and reduce congestion during peak travel periods. As a result of these changes, adjustments will be required from the traveling public. Several local roads, including Fazino Lane, Eaton Lane, Luza Lane, Silver Hill Road, and Goodson Bend Road, will experience altered travel patterns. Roundabouts are proposed along SH21 and SH47. Roundabouts are an option to traditional signalized intersections and are intended to enhance traffic flow by minimizing stop-and-go conditions and reduce vehicle idling. From a safety perspective, roundabouts offer significant advantages by lowering travel approach speeds, allowing continuous movement through the intersection, and eliminating hazardous left turn maneuvers. The roundabout on SH21 would provide access to a future RELLIS campus entrance south of SH21 and connectivity to areas north of SH21. Approximately 1.9 acres of right-of-way would be required to implement the proposed roundabout design in this area. The proposed roundabout on SH47 would provide access to the existing RELLIS campus entrance west of SH47 and connectivity to other roadways along SH47, including a new northbound frontage road proposed between 5th Street and SH21. No additional land would be required to implement the proposed roundabout design in this area. Here you see the proposed SH47 at SH21 interchange. Based on public feedback from public meeting number 1, the design added a new exit ramp from the SH41 direct connector to the westbound SH21 frontage road and a new frontage road between 5th Street and SH21. To see the complete RELLIS area plan, please go to the TxDOT website at www.txdot.gov and use the keyword search SH47 at SH21 Interchange. The proposed plan is expected to receive federal funding. Therefore, TxDOT is required to evaluate potential environmental impacts with respect to federal regulatory standards. This evaluation follows the National Environmental Policy Act, commonly known as NEPA. On July 17, 2025, TxDOT signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Federal Highway Administration. This agreement allows TxDOT to take the responsibility from the FHWA for reviewing and approving certain NEPA-related projects. The assignment of this responsibility from the FHWA to TxDOT is called NEPA assignment. This assignment applies to this plan and guides the environmental review process, which is currently underway. As part of the NEPA process, the assessment of environmental constraints helps to identify sensitive features that may be affected by the proposed plan. The identification of environmental constraints early in the planning, design, and environmental review process allows for the avoidance and minimization of potential environmental impacts as the design advances. Areas that are under review include air quality, community impacts, environmental justice, archaeological resources, historic resources, hazardous materials, indirect and cumulative impacts, biological resources, traffic noise, and water resources. The plan is being designed to avoid or minimize impacts to the greatest amount practicable. Once completed, technical reports documenting the analysis and conclusions of these studies will be available for review upon request. On your screen, you see a "We Are Here" bar indicating the current phase of RELLIS Area Plan development. This phase includes completing the area plan design, finalizing the results of a value engineering study, and presenting this virtual public meeting. Once the public comment period closes, the design team will review all feedback, consider design adjustments, and prepare the official virtual public meeting documentation. The area plan design and environmental review are expected to wrap up this winter. A construction start date will depend on when construction funding becomes available. We encourage you to share your feedback with us on the SH47 at SH21 Interchange RELLIS Area Plan. Please remember to submit your comments no later than Saturday, November 8, 2025, to be included in the official public meeting documentation for this plan. Visit www.txdot.gov, keyword search SH47 at SH21 Interchange for additional information. Comment forms may be downloaded from the website. Comments may be submitted by email to BRY_public comment@txdot.gov or by mail to the TxDOT Bryan District office, attention Sydney Fox. The mailing address is 2591 North Earl Rudder Freeway, Bryan, Texas 77803. Thank you for participating in the virtual public meeting. Please remember to submit your comments no later than Saturday, November 8, 2025, to be included in the official public meeting documentation.